It is another week and it is Monday. This week is going to be a pretty hectic week for me. I have 3 assignments due on Sunday, which is an assignment for pretty much all of my subjects that I'm taking this semester. Yeah, this week is going to be pretty hectic and I have no idea if I can make it through this week. I need to work on an assignment every day, and today I need to work on my shooting and editing photo portfolio. It is the assignment where I take photos for different categories and just put it into a slideshow on Premiere Pro. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can finish by today.
Different, cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head about everything I do, figuring out what to say, cause it's so soon. But you've been so patient, and I appreciate it. Wish I didn't get like this. And I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you. I can get nervous when I got no reason to be. It's just that you can't believe that you wanna be with me.
What's wrong with my...
Wish I could find a
That's
way
Niana and that's Liam.
Okay.
convince myself it's real. You smile when I focus over all the little things, and I don't think that you notice when I catch you staring. You make me feel beautiful in a way I haven't felt before. No, something so much more. And I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you. With you. With you.
Oh, so you do water.
With you.
This week has just been really hectic. I had 3 assignments due, and as you saw earlier, I managed to complete them. I submitted my PowerPoint/report for a prototype that I have to make for a subject called Interface and Experience Design, and I also had to create a photo portfolio, which is all the photos that I've taken for different categories. It's a photography assignment, and I've compiled it into a little slideshow on Premiere Pro. I managed to finish that this morning, and now I've completed all 3 assignments that I was meant to do. The other one was a essay/event review. It was just a draft. I finished that earlier this week, and now I'm free. Well, not really free, like the semester is still going, and I have a lot more assignments ahead of me, like coming up, but you know, right now I'm free. And I just finished watching My Hero Academia, like the first episode, because they just released it. Yeah, it is Sunday, and I'm just going to clean my space because for the past week or 2 weeks of me working, my room has been so messy. I just haven't had the time to just stop working and clean my space. Oh yeah, before I get into cleaning, I didn't show you guys this or didn't record this, but I recently got the Animal Crossing / Sanrio cards, amiibo cards. I accidentally bought 2 because I thought that you would get random cards in each pack. Like, I didn't think you would get all of the cards. So I have one that's unopened and then one that's open. I've used it, and yeah, I've got back into Animal Crossing because this was coming out. But yeah, I've been really obsessed with Sanrio related things, like I've always have, but lately it's just been up there. So yeah, time to clean. Talking too much.